Hi, I'm Lisa from RCT Parenting, and today I'm going to be going through a fun breathing technique for children. It's no secret kids can get mad, really mad. But learning to deal with feelings of frustration, anger, hurt or disappointment can be a real big job for such a little person. But understanding how to navigate tough feelings is an essential part of growing up, and mindful breathing exercises for kids can really help with that. So breathwork is a simple and very powerful tool that can help young children calm themselves when big feelings arise. Breathing calms children by slowing them down. Deep breathing exercise can literally slow a racing heart and help kids respond to stress in a healthier way. In fact, it works for everyone, adults too. When hard feelings arise, try this simple exercise to help your little one feel calmer. It's called the hot chocolate breathing technique. You don't have to worry about having hot drinks in their hand, because all the magic happens in their imagination. It's one of my favourite activities at this time of year because everyone loves a hot chocolate when they come in from the cold, don't they? So, how can we use imaginary hot chocolate to calm your child? Okay, so start by asking your children to imagine they are picking up a big hot mug of hot chocolate. If they don't like hot chocolate, they can imagine a hot squash, hot milk, tea, coffee, whatever hot drink they enjoy. Now, imagine the warmth of the drink in your hands. You can close your eyes if you like, or just keep them open. Now hold your drink up to your mouth, but don't drink. Just take a big smell of your hot chocolate. Now breathe out slowly, enjoying the smell of your hot chocolate. Let's do it again, is it? Take several deep breaths. Smells of the chocolate and breathe out as though you're cooling your drink off. Are we ready? And again. Oh, now when you're ready, imagine you're taking a sip. Is it cool enough to drink? Can you imagine the feel of the warmth of the hot chocolate in your mouth? And can you feel it moving through your chest and down into your stomach? You can repeat these steps as many times as you like until they are calm. It's a simple process, but by focusing on their breathing, the children are calming themselves down immediately. They are also using their imagination, something which is so important for children's development and creativity. So here's some extra tips as well. So teach breath works before they actually need it. So introduce these ideas when your child is happy and calm. Practice makes perfect, so make it fun. And model mindful breathing yourself. When you get angry or frustrated, try taking deep breaths or use the technique that we have talked about. Explain what you're going to do simply by saying, I'm really angry right now. I'm going to take some deep breaths to help me calm down before we talk about this. Your child is a keen observer, and when they see you using breathing to calm yourself, they learn that this is a good way to manage their big feelings. It may take a little time, but eventually they'll be able to do this all by themselves. And they may even start to remind you to cool your hot chocolate when tempers wear thin in the traffic jam. Okay, so have fun practicing your hot chocolate breathing techniques. Bye.